Fro babe, fro babe, fro babe.
You know what it
Fro
is.
babe, fro babe, hey, fro babe. I'ma make it my duty to embrace my natural beauty. What's up?
Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna be doing a quick wash and go, and I'm actually gonna be trying hair paint wax for the first time in purple. I'm not gonna do a whole lot of talking. We're just gonna play my music and jump right in. So right now I am just going to separate my hair into 4 sections and pin each section back. And now that my hair is all separated, I'm going to go in with the Mielle Organics leave-in spray, and I'll put all the details of everything that I use in the description box. So I'm gonna rake all of that through and thoroughly coat my strands, especially my ends, because they do have a tendency to get a little bit dry. And then I'm going in with the Curls Control Jelly. And that's just gonna give me a little bit more definition as well as moisture before I put in this hair paint wax. And so I'm gonna put it on root to end, and that's about it. It's gonna be a little bit messy, but it's going to be relatively easy. So I'm just gonna go through and do the exact same method.
Ooh, don't we look good together? There's a reason why they watch all night long. Yeah, I know we'll turn heads forever. So tonight I'm gonna show you off. When I walk with you, I watch the whole room change. Baby, that's what you do. No, I baby don't play. Baby, on my confidence, so bending all your measurements. She's on sight. That's right. We got it. If your lady fine, tell her she don't want for life. Ladies, grab your fantasies. Slow it down for me, baby.
Okay, so now that I look like a purple smurf, I'm gonna go dry my hair and wash my hands and come back and show you all how it's turned out. Give me a sec. Okay, y'all, I'm back with my final results, and it is a good 7 out of 10 for me. just because I'm still a little bit purple, and it feels a little bit crunchy. Not a lot, but just a tad bit. So I don't know if this is something that I would do regularly. However, I do kind of like it enough to keep it for about 3 days and then rinse it out. But yeah, I just wanted to come back and show you all before I forgot to. Yeah, so make sure you're subscribed if you haven't done that yet, and comment whatever you want to see next, and then I will get to that. And as always, peace and love until next time.